can plant trees on the moon, as long as we can eat our silver spoons. So we need to survive through our water and air. We need rainforests everywhere. Rainforest, we all need you. You're a part of this world that we all live through. Rainforest, we would be missing you. You're a part of the lawn that we all breathe through. We have to stop killing you. I hear the trees falling down to the ground. Feel the heat of the fire, can breathe in his air. I'd need millions of years to grow. Forever they have destroyed animals running through the burning green. When you listen, you can hear plants and trees scream. And then under the chainsaw, the last tree will fall to the ground. We will lose a world of million wonders. Memories still until the last human dies. Until the last human dies. As long as we can plant trees on the moon, as long as we can eat our silver spoons. So we need to survive through our water and air. We need rainforests everywhere. Rainforest, we all need you. You're a part of this world we all live through.